Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2023 Rivian R1T, full front Xpel Ultimate Plus with Xpel's XR Plus window film. This is in the 70, so it's a super light shade with a high heat rejection. So the PPF actually starts here on the mirror, where everything goes in nice and tight. All the stalks are done, the fenders all wrapped in, so we don't see any lines. Majority of the wrap people cut this out. We don't. We wrap it around. The hood all wrapped around. No lines at all. Everything wrapped in nice and tight, so we don't have any issues anywhere. Everything's covered 100%. That way there's no rock damage. All this black's done. All the lights are done. 8 lights, I think. The rooftop is done. Fender, full hood. The emblem comes off, so we can wrap it all the way around without any gaps. So this is fully protected. All these panels 100% all the way edge to edge. No cutting out here. Everything's wrapped around. Everything's wrapped in. Everything's wrapped real tight here. So everything's looking really good. Everything's looking fantastic on this hood. No markings. And the mirror over here is finally all back in over here. All the stalks. Everything just looks really super. Just checking our stuff end to end on these stalks. And that's the way it should look. So there's a full front on an R1T Rivian 2023, clearbrow.northdallas.com, 214-414-3809 or 940-703-8301. Appreciate you guys watching our channel. Thanks for watching.